Hey folks, and welcome to another video of mine. In today's video, I'm actually here at the Fairfield by Marriott in Kolkata, in Rajarhat New Town, and I'm doing this video right here because we have a special event here from Brown's Food with Love. They had actually taken over the kitchen at the Fairfield by Marriott for these 3 days, 5th, 6th, and the 7th of March. Now, if you have seen my channel, then you know that I have tried out food from Brown's Food with Love just this past week, and I was really curious to find out as to how the dining experience would be when it comes to Brown's Food with Love if they actually had a restaurant that they were serving their food at. So that's why I was very keen to come down to the Fairfield by Marriott and try out Brown's Food with Love. Here I am. This is the Fairfield by Marriott. So in this video, we're going to talk about this place, which is called Vertex, and we're also going to talk about the food from the chef Vanita and Brown's Food with Love. So with that said, let's get started, folks, and find out all about Brown's Food with Love at the Vertex at the Fairfield by Marriott. Let's go. Before we get started with the food, just wanted to pan around and give you a look at the restaurant. This is more like a restaurant come bar come lounge, because not only does it have an indoor space to dine at, it also has this outdoor area. So in case you want to chill out with your friends or family members and dine outdoor, then this is the perfect place. It's going to be very pleasant in the evenings, especially this time of the year. You've even got a pool at the other end of this place, but I'm not going to head down there. I'm just going to give you an idea as to where it's located. It's conveniently located very close to the Biswa Bangla Gate, as you can see. So the location is right in the heart of Newtown. It offers some decent views of the city of Newtown area, and overall I would say the ambience, the decor of the place is very nice. Okay, so first things first, let's go through the menu. And this is a curated menu especially for these 3 days, the 5th, 6th and 7th, from chef Vanita Tandon. And as you can see, it says Brown's Food with Love right on top. You've got some salads, some soups, some light eats out here, and then you also have small plates like things like wonton, which is very popular with Brown's Food with Love. And you've got some Swedish meatballs, which I was very interested to try out, and I did order them. And also, in case you're in for it, all day eggs on toast, even that's available. Moving on to the big plates, you have your ravioli, aglio olio, and they even had something called katsu, which is like a fried chicken cutlet along with some curry. And you've got the burritos, Kolkata baked tea, which I ordered, farmer's pie, and finally you've got your desserts: hazel mocha bar, tiramisu singles, and New York styled cheesecake with some strawberry compote. So looks good. Let's get started with the food. We've already ordered it. Okay, to begin with, we had some complimentary drinks. So we had a couple of fruit punches, fruit punch 1, fruit punch 2 for my kid. So it does have some canned fruit juices along with some freshly cut fruits like apple and pineapple. And then he had a watermelon mojito right there. We wanted to start out by having some Asian spicy, sweet and sour salad. So you've got some white fungus in there along with some broccoli, and it looks quite nice. And then you have these Swedish meatballs as well with a light cream sauce. We also ordered in the aglio olio, and this is how it was plated. It had a very nice portion, and as you can see, it has a lot of mushrooms in there, some sliced garlic on top, perfect amount of seasoning, and we're waiting to try this out. Let's go. I turned over to my expert food critic, Punchy Boy in this case, to ask him how the aglio olio was, and he gave it a 2 thumbs up. It's definitely got his seal of approval. Alright, so I'm gonna try out the Asian sweet, sour and spicy salad. I'm gonna try the white fungus. I'm also gonna try and pick up a broccoli. Alright, so here you go. Let's see how this one tastes.
Wow, it's got a punch. It's got those nice Thai flavors. It's got a punch, but wow, it's hot, but it's very tasty. It's very delicious. Very good. I am gonna try out the meatballs now. These are the Swedish meatballs with some light cream sauce. This is in fact very good, and I'm sure my kid is also gonna like it. Ezekiel, I want you to try this out. Try one out, along with some sauce, alright? Yes. Yeah, good. Very good. Alright, so we've got the meatballs, we've tried out the salad, the Asian salad. The Asian salad was absolutely fantastic. Very, very hot and spicy and sweet as well. My wife really loved it, but highly recommended. You know, it's something that you should try out. The white fungus, it's so good. And then you also had the meatballs. It came with a light cream sauce. The meatballs were very delicious, and the cream sauce just adds to the overall taste, and it in fact heightens the taste. So in terms of the taste factor, it's extremely good. My kid, let me tell you that, he's not very fond of mushrooms. In fact, whenever we make anything, he does not like mushrooms. Surprisingly, in the aloo olio, he commented that the mushrooms were actually delicious. So that's how good the aloo olio was. So you've got a non-mushroom lover turnover and calling mushrooms delicious in this case. Now that's how delicious the aloo olios are. So we would, so far, we're really, really happy with the quality of the food. The deliciousness factor is really high up, and we would highly recommend all the things that we've tried out so far. We're gonna try out some more stuff. We will let you know in a short while as to what we're gonna order. Alright, another thing that I really wanted to mention was as soon as we ordered the food was on the table within 10 minutes. Now that is phenomenal. And we did order the aloo olio, the salad, and the Swedish meatballs, and all of them came over in a span of 10 minutes. We also had a conversation with the chef, who has an all-women's team, by the way. The chef, her name is Vanita Tandon, and a lovely lady. And we had a good time, chatting as to how she started the business and how she has an all-women's team, which is inspirational, because for young women out there, you have a very successful woman, and her food is very delicious. Kudos to the team, kudos to her, for starting this and making this a successful business. I would highly recommend her food to anyone who's watching this video. In terms of the deliciousness factor, again, I'm telling you, it is extremely delicious.
We also ordered ourselves some wontons. This usually comes tossed in chili oil, but since we wanted our kid to try this out as well, we requested the chef to just toss it in some soy and oil, and this is how it looks.
Oh, okay. So now I am gonna try out the wontons. So let's see how this is. It's very good. Although it's all vegetarian, but it's actually something that even non-vegetarians would like. It's got edamame and tossed in non-spicy oil. Generally, it comes with a chili oil. It's tossed in chili oil, but since we requested the chef that my kid wanted to try these wontons out, she made an effort to make sure that there is no hotness factor in there. So kids will also be able to enjoy this. I and my kid, both of us enjoyed it. Did you like it? All right, yeah, he definitely did. So it has his seal of approval, and it definitely has my seal of approval as well. Another item which is highly recommended.
Now, since these burritos were so delicious from the last time around when we ordered them at home, my wife wanted to try these burritos again. So here we are at it again, and you've got these beautiful burritos along with some guacamole on the side, and this is how it was presented or plated. looks fabulous.
I'm first gonna try out the guacamole without anything. All right, I'm interested to find out how this tastes. So let's see. Nice. And now finally, gonna grab a bite of that burrito. Okay, here you go. Cilantro rice, chicken, all decked up nicely. And let's find out how this one tastes. Wow. Now I've already tried out the burrito when we ordered in from Brown's Food with Love. I've got that video on my channel as well. I'm gonna put up the card somewhere here so you can actually take a look at it. Now this one tastes even better. The reason why it tastes better is because it's right here. You know what I mean? I'm dining at the restaurant and I'm trying it out at the restaurant. So it's warmer and that's why. Perhaps it tastes better. I'm gonna now try it out with some guacamole as well. I'm just gonna put some guacamole on top. And I'm gonna take another bite. Okay. Let's see how this one tastes with the guacamole. It's just so good because the onions, there's the crunch in the onions, and it's got some tomatoes in there, the cilantro rice, with a dash of lemon, perfect blend, little tangy, not spicy, not very hot, but it all blends in together and it gives you that great flavor, that burst of flavor in your mouth as soon as you take that bite, and the guacamole just adds to the flavor. So it's a really good burrito, and again, something very delicious, highly recommended. Okay, so we finally got ourselves this item called, or this dish called Kolkata Baked Tea. So you've got herb crust baked teas along with these pearl couscous bed. It's on a bed of pearl couscous, some hollandaise, and we even have some sauteed greens on the side. It looks like a perfect big plate, and let's finally try it and see how it tastes. Okay, so now it's time to try this out. I'm gonna try out the sauce first. I'm interested to find out what the sauce is about. So okay, just gonna taste a little bit of the sauce to find out what is really in there. Wow, it's got a little bit of butter and I think it's just a dash of lemon if I'm not wrong. I'm gonna try this pearl couscous. And finally, I'm gonna go all in with the baked tea, the herb crust baked tea. I'm first gonna try it without the sauce. All right. Okay. Wow, this is really good. Now I'm gonna put some sauce over it and I'm gonna try it out. So let's just put some sauce on top of it. Just some sauce. Wow. Now I'm gonna try out the baked tea with the sauce drizzled on top. In fact, I think it's not the fork that I should try it out with. I should actually try it out with a spoon. So that I can get some of that sauce in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's try this one. Wow, whoa, what a perfect balance. The sauce. There's a strong flavor that comes from the herbs, but what the sauce does is the sauce actually cuts it out in a way, and it cuts it so beautifully. I'm just gonna pour some more sauce onto it because the sauce blends with the herb crust perfectly, and then wow, it just gives you this beautiful flavor. And let me tell you that the fish has been cooked to perfection. So the fish has been cooked really well. Wow. Whoa. Wow. This is by far the best item that I've tried so far. It is just so good. Beautiful. The sauce is so delicious. Let me tell you that. And if you're trying this out, definitely pour a whole heap of sauce on top of your baked tea and then try it out. Wow. There's magic in every bite. Whoa. Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
This is clearly my favorite part of the whole experience. Desserts. Look at this hazel mocha bar. How beautiful it looks. It's got some nice chocolate cookie crumble on the sides, and it's been plated beautifully. And this tiramisu, you've got some cocoa sprinkled all over the plate, again plated beautifully. Look at those layers there. Wow, my mouth is watering just talking about it. I mean, looking at it again, it makes my mouth water. The strawberry cheesecake along with some strawberry compote, and with a couple of slices from the real fruit. It's real strawberries on top. And again, look at how beautifully all of these have been plated. I am excited to try these out.
Wow, look at all that strawberry compote or the strawberry sauce. Look at that. Wow. Looks so good. Wow. Wow. Now to finally indulge. Wow. I'm gonna take a lot of that strawberry sauce and I'm gonna try this now. Wow. Wow. This is so good. I just want to take a quick bite again. Hold up. With the strawberries this time around. Wow. My kid is anxiously waiting to try out the cheesecake. Wow. So good. Now it's Punchy Boy's time to give his seal of approval. Yeah. Likey? Yeah? Alright. Excellent. So, it's good? Alright. Fantastic. And now it's time to try the hazel mocha bar. Okay. Let's try to dig in from this side. This looks so pretty. Wow. I've always wanted to try out the chocolate from Brown's Food with Love. Alright, let's eat this now. Oh, wow. This is even better than the strawberry cheesecake. The flavor of the chocolate. Again, this is Belgian chocolate along with hazelnut. Wow, this is so delicious, so good. Everything comes together so well, and I just love it. Now, oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, there's some cookie crumbles here, some chocolate cookie crumbles, and they're really nice as well to taste. You can taste the butter off of these cookie crumbles. All right, now let's have the little one try this out. Okay, I'm gonna place this here. Take a bite of this. Okay, Punchy Boy. Whoa, which one's better now? This one or the other one? Oh, okay. This is not dark chocolate, by the way. It's just Belgian chocolate. It's not dark chocolate. Try the cookie crumbs. Try this. Like it? Alright. Finally, it's time to try out the tiramisu. Look at how pretty that looks. In fact, it looks so pretty that you don't even want to dig into it or do anything to it. I mean, but it's time to decimate it. So let's try this. Wow. My mouth's watering. Oh. Wow. This is the best tiramisu that I've had. Wow. I'm already sure that my wife's gonna love this. This is so good. Oh. Oh, this is absolutely mind-blowing in terms of the taste. Wow. Highly recommended. Oh. Brown's Food with Love, their desserts are simply outstanding. It's in a class of its own. I know I've already made a video where I commented on Patisserie by Francisca. They've got a cafe, so it's a physical place where they can go and eat. Now this tiramisu is simply outstanding. Generally, Brown's Food with Love is a gourmet catering service, but they've had this event at the Fairfield by Marriott, where you had an opportunity to come and eat their food on the table. And let me tell you that it's been such a great experience so far. Every single item that's come to our table has been outstanding in terms of the deliciousness factor, in terms of the taste, in terms of the quality of the ingredients, and even the presentation. It's been really, really up there. And with the desserts, they've just taken it to a whole new level. Man, this tiramisu, I just don't want to stop eating this. This is so good. Wow. Fantastic.
In case you're wondering how much did it all cost, here's a copy of the bill so that you could pause the video if you want to and take a good look at it. It cost us a total of 6,484, but let me assure you again that every single penny was worth it. In fact, the tiramisu and the Kolkata baked tea alone were actually well worth the money.
Alright folks, so wow, we've had a fantastic experience here. We really enjoyed our food. Every single item that we tried out today was super hit, you could say. And if you have already seen the video, then you know that it was not just good to look at, but it was absolutely delicious. The flavors, the aroma of the food, the ingredients, they were all very high quality materials that was used by Chef Vanitha. And I can't stop raving about the quality of the food because it was actually that good. Now, I would highly recommend that you try out Brown's Food with Love whenever you get the opportunity to. If they are organizing an event like this at any of the places in Kolkata, then I would suggest that you definitely land up and take the opportunity to try out the food from Brown's Food with Love at your table, if you can do that. If you can't do that, then I suggest that you try out their gourmet catering service, and they deliver to your doorstep if it's a party order. And even if you want to order something, let's say light, then there's always Swiggy Genie. So you can try out Swiggy Genie, and you can try out the food from Brown's Food with Love. Every single item was mind-blowing. I especially want to mention about the Kolkata baked tea. It was, again, something which I've never tried before. It was so good. And the hollandaise, the sauce with the egg yolk and with the butter and lemon, it was so balanced. It was absolutely mind-blowing. Every single bite had a burst of flavor due to that sauce, and the herb crust on the Kolkata baked tea was, again, it all came together so well, and it gave you that experience which is going to be unforgettable. In fact, this dining experience is going to be unforgettable. It was that good. So again, I would highly recommend that you do try out Brown's Food with Love if you get an opportunity to. And I can't stop raving about the food because everything is top notch, everything is outstanding, and it's mind-blowing. And just like we have had such a great experience, I'm confident, I can bet you on this that you are going to love the food from there, especially their desserts. Their tiramisu was the best tiramisu that I have ever had in my entire life. That is how good their tiramisu was. Every single item, I mean, in fact, was great. But special mention to the Kolkata Big Tea and special mention to the tiramisu, which was the best tiramisu that I've ever had or ever tried out in my life. So with that said, guys, we come to the end of this video. If you've liked this video, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button, and also hit that bell icon if you want to get notified with all my latest videos. And until we meet again in the next one, folks, this is me signing off. Take care, stay safe, God bless you all.